Hi, and I appreciate you stopping by. And I want to congratulate you because you took action, which is 99% of people's problem. They don't take any action. But anyway, just to make it really quick, sweet, and short, you're in for a surprise. This business model contains ingredients from the direct selling industry, from the multi-level marketing industry, from the crowdfunding industry, from the social media industry, and it also has from the revenue sharing industry. They're all the ingredients plus the special ingredient where you'll be able to generate an income from all the people that are associated in the group, not just from the people that were directly invited by you. Okay, but I'll share with you all those details on the inside. For right now, just put your name and email in the box, click enter, and when you click enter, it'll throw you into another page where I'll explain all the details to you. Take care and have a good one. See you on the inside. Once again, congratulations. You took action.